Well, those attending Rio Valve will have the good opportunity of networking with the most experts in the field, not only from Latin America, but also coming from other countries, North America and Europe. Then it's very important to underline that they will have direct access to technologies, devices and imaging in the echo labs, in the CT scan related sessions and in hands-on and training village.
All the traditional sessions that we know about the PCR philosophy, like simulation learning rooms. We have case-based discussions, live case from Latin America, from Brazil, from Mexico, and from Europe. But for this year, we have new topics in new formats. We are discussing tricuspid replacement and repair that is growing in Latin America. We are discussing TAVR-in-TAVR procedures that are more common in our reality.
Regarding the new sessions, that's very important to underline that we are doing this Congress together with cardiac surgeons. So there will be dedicated sessions with surgeons. There will be dedicated sessions with NAPs, that means nurses and allied professionals. And even more important, we will open these course to clinicians who are willing to know how to prepare patients to transcatheter interventions and how to manage them after the intervention, in the interest of all those who have a role in the decision process, treatment and follow-up of patients with valvular heart disease.
We have topics about TAVR-in-TAVR procedures, new things that is now, they are part of the daily practice of interventional cardiologists and surgeons, and I think this is the right moment to discuss about these interesting topics.